The unit we're in is chemistry, and it's actually broken down into 3 units. So what I did was I took all of the content, all of the academic vocabulary that I was going to cover, and I made a list. I uploaded that list to our school webpage. It's a Wiki space. The end product is for them to make a student-friendly textbook that has analogies and examples that make sense to them. So what we're going to do is take these terms today, okay, and we're going to organize them, okay? We're going to organize them in the fashion that lets you convey a story of how they're related. The beginning scaffolding of the assignment was for students to just find out information, do research.
We are basically defining all the terms that we have been using.
The tools that we use are Microsoft Publisher, Microsoft Word, and Microsoft PowerPoint, Internet Explorer.
Instead of just looking into a textbook, you can go to other websites and see what they say about what we're talking about, what we're learning about.
Now that you've organized these, we're going to make it into a well-written explanation. That is how you're going to build these stories to put into your publisher, your student textbook.
I remember more about the electrons because I connected to a singer I like. This is a South Korean K-pop group, and each member of them has a personality, like their characteristics. It makes them like special and funny and stuff. So he's the electron of the group because he thinks of himself a lot.
But I also think he could be a neutron too. He doesn't have a lot of spotlight, so like when he does, he's kind of quiet, but then he could show both sides of himself.
The students are the ones that are actively engaged in finding this information, finding these images, finding definitions and explanations from various sources. You truly do become a facilitator of education because you're providing opportunities, and the students are the ones that are doing all the work to make it become a reality.
I'd prefer doing the project on the computer because it's a lot more helpful, and there's a lot more stuff on the internet instead of just one textbook, so you can compare information.
I think doing this work is more creative because you get to explore more on the computer. You get to learn more than just staying in a class and doing boring classwork, sheets and stuff. When you're on the computer, it's much funner because you get to go to all these websites and look at these cool pictures. Yeah, just learn new things.